Another one of my Poundland purchases. The end of the Christmas range, or ex-Christmas stock, being sold off at 25p instead of £1, so a quarter of its original Poundland price. It's in full sunlight, well, as full sunlight as we get here. It's not exactly going for it, is it? It's a bit gentle. Still, 25p, I'm happy with that. Probably should have bought some more just for the bits inside, shouldn't I? Didn't think about that. That'll do. Looks like fun anyway. We could have a quick look inside. You can see I've started popping them apart, so we can have a look. Come on. What's holding you? Come on. All the others have come out easily. There must be one just being awkward. I reckon it's the one right in the middle of his head. Right, well, that's easy enough to see. Our usual coil, magnet, circuit board and solar panel at the front. It's a lot happier now that I've broken him open. Yeah. Well, there you go, that's what's inside. The usual arrangement, but instead of rocking side to side, it's back to front. That'll do. We had to go out after I'd finished taking him apart, but I've put him back together again. But because it's dark outside now, so we're using one of my LED lights, which solar rockers don't like, but he seems quite happy with it. And he's certainly rocking a lot better now, so I think taking him apart I've actually managed to loosen up where his arm was rubbing on something, I think. And now it's nice and free. So it's rocking much better. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.